want to tell you a little bit of a story to give you some perspective on your test prep journey. And if you want to, you can even close your eyes during this story. Take a little break from the blue lights on your screen. In this story, I want you to pretend that you want to get better at playing baseball. If you're like me and you're trying to swing the bat, you might do an absolutely terrible job, and that can be frustrating. But if you keep swinging that same bat, that same wrong way over and over again, are you going to get any better? Probably not. What would help you get better? What do you think? What if you had a coach or a friend who really was good at baseball? That person is going to watch you take a swing and you're not going to hit the ball. But the person's going to tell you something really helpful about how you need to tuck your elbow in differently because they watched your mistakes. This is a personal mistake. You can correct it. You fix your elbow and your swing gets a little bit better. And then the person watching you tells you you need to adjust the angle of your feet and your body so the way you're swinging into the ball is even more accurate. With these little coaching, with these little tips, you're going to be able to get better and better until you're much better at baseball than I am. And what does that tell us about test prep? Simply doing a lot of practice problems is not likely to increase your score. And that might sound very confusing, but it's true. Just the act of practicing isn't going to help because you might be making the same mistakes over and over again without improving. The way to really benefit from your practice is to get that coach, and that coach means reviewing the things you do wrong, learning what your mistakes are, acknowledging them, not being frustrated, but taking it as an opportunity to fix. If you really learn from your mistakes by studying each practice problem after you've completed it, figuring out what you did wrong, and finding techniques to help you prevent making those same mistakes again, then you'll really be getting much better. Good luck out there.